Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys, to another Fall Tablescape. Now, let me tell you what I did. I took the Tablescape from last week and the Tablescape from the week before, and I kind of combined them into one to make a special Tablescape for today. We're going to get started on this, and I'm going to show you how I created it and where everything came from. I'm going to start off by cleaning this glass table, and a special shout out to Angie Fortson 2809. I asked about the different glass cleaners you use for your glass and mirrors, and she answered my question. But before I can get over to Home Depot, Angie, my ever so helpful neighbor, who I happened to be talking to and telling him I needed to go to Home Depot to get me some glass cleaner, he said, I just found some glass cleaner up under my cabinet. I don't even know when I bought it. You can have mine. And this is what he gave me. So I've tried it on a couple of things. It says it's streak free, and it works pretty good. So I may not have to have a trip over to Home Depot. But thank you so much anyway. In case I haven't told you guys lately, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love watching your channels. I also love getting ideas from your channel. Next, I'm going to use these beautiful gold placemats. And I do believe I got these at Home Goods. Not sure, but I think that's where I got them from. Next, I am going to use this acrylic tray. And this idea I got from another YouTuber's channel. Didn't even think about it when I did the last video. She was doing something in her hallway in which she wanted to rise and she had these glass legs. And I said, you know, I got some glass legs too that's just sitting around collecting dust. Let's use those glass legs. I'm not going to glue them to the tray. I'm just going to set the legs down and put the tray on top. I think this is such a good idea, especially since I'm using a clear riser. I'm using the same floral arrangement right in the middle. And right below it, I'm using a small bubble vase from Dollar Tree. I'm using a DIY coaster. And I'm using the 99 cents only pumpkin. On each side of the pumpkin, I'm using a Dollar Tree candle holder that I spray painted, and I'm just turning it upside down, and I am putting a fall sign on top that I got from 99 cents only stores. I'm using this beautiful DIY candle and a candle base that I got from Hobby Lobby. No, I think I got that candle base from the at-home store. And I'm using a candle holder, a glass candle holder with a sage green candle that I got from Walmart. When I had to run out that Sunday, that's what I went and got. I went and got those 2 candles and these 2 signs. And those candles are going to go on each side. I love creating DIYs because I can make my items as unique as I want. Now to the good part. These placemats, I am not exactly 100% sure where I got them from. It may have been Big Lots. It may have been Home Goods. But you know, you can find beautiful placemats just about anywhere. It's best to follow your first mind. As I was setting this up, I told myself to put the placemat down before I did the tray. So now I'm going to go back and lift that up to put it in place. I'm using my wood chargers. I'm using this stoneware plate. And I'm not sure exactly where I got these from. They may have been Dollar Tree or either Walmart. This did come from Dollar Tree. This bowl came from Walmart. These glasses came from Home Goods over 20 years ago. This coaster is a DIY. The napkin I got from eFavorMart. And I'm just going to lay that down in a diamond shape. The green one on bottom. And the brown napkin I got from Amazon. And that just goes right on top. The napkin ring I got from Temu. And I'm folding it in like that. Folding it in again. Once again. And that's about correct. I'm going to take the napkin ring and slide it through. It's a little bulky, guys, but pull it on through. And I'm going to place the napkins. And I'm going to do all of my place settings like that. This was my challenge to let me know that I don't have to go out and spend money to create another tablescape. I am very frugal. I try to save my money because if you've been through what I've been through, you learn to save more than you spend. I hope you guys like what I created by combining the last 2 weeks tablescapes together to make another unique tablescape.